Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into OneNote and turning on sync so your notes follow you across devices. Create a notebook, then a section group and a focus section to avoid scattered content. This gives a predictable compass for later. Once done, set a default font and choose a page template to save time. This reduces manual formatting. Make sure to name pages consistently using dates or project codes, because consistent titles speed searching and indexing later. Now organize and capture smarter. Use built-in tags like to do, important, and question, and add a couple of custom tags for your workflow, because tags let you filter action items quickly. Clip web articles and insert files, then rely on OneNote's OCR to make images and PDFs searchable. Once done, create subpages and linked notes for multi-step projects, and drag pages between sections to maintain a clean hierarchy. This minimizes duplicate notes and improves retrieval. Finish by running a weekly review. Search by tag, archive completed sections, and sync before sharing so collaborators see the latest content. When sharing, set edit or view rights and send a copy link for focused collaboration. Comments and ink annotations speed consensus. If things go wrong, check sync status first, then sign out and back in, or repair the notebook cache. This step clears most conflicts. If not, export the page and recreate the notebook to preserve work.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.